is a story of two people, person A and person B. Both of them wanted to learn pottery making. So, they went to a 5-hour-long pottery making workshop. Both of them had different thoughts, different ideas and different plans. Person A thought of making a beautiful pot in the 5-hour-long workshop, while person B thought of making 5 pots even if they are weird looking or very beautiful. At the end of 5 hours, person A came up with a very beautiful pot, while person B came up with 5 weird looking pots. Who do you think will be very successful at the end of 6 months? The correct answer is person B. That's because practice makes progress, practice makes permanent, and then practice makes perfect. And repetition is the mother of all learning. From this story, we can learn perfection is a killer, action is a winner. Thank you.
Once upon a time, there were two people, person A and person B. Both have decided to go for a 5-hour pottery making workshop. So, person A decided to make a beautiful and smart pot, whereas person B decided to make 5 weird looking pots. So, who do you think will be a better pottery maker after 6 months?
Person B.
Yes, person B will be a better pottery maker after 6 months because person B aims for action. Practice makes progress, practice makes permanent, and practice makes perfection. So the moral of the story is perfection is the killer, action is the winner. Thank you.
Give a round of applause for Jinam. Jinam, you have to work more on your smile. Second, tonality. Tonality differences come there. थोड़ा सा और tonality difference आना चाहिए. Like one beautiful looking pot. Person B made 5 weird looking pots. After 6 months, who do you think will be a better pottery maker? तो वो थोड़ा tonality differences. Third, go more with prompting hand gestures. जैसे कि when you do here, look here. When you go here, look here. Your hand gestures were ऐसे similar था. So you have to keep changing. So work more on these things. Thushar, we are learning because of you.
Thushar, we are learning because of you.
Thushar, thank you for teaching us.
Thushar, thank you for teaching us.
Every way and every time and every way you're becoming better and better. With every stage practice you're becoming better and better.
With every stage practice you're becoming better and better.
Tushar, you're confident.
Tushar, you're confident.
Tushar, you're a confident communicator.
Tushar, you're a confident communicator.
Tushar, you're a powerful presenter.
Tushar, you're a powerful presenter.
Tushar, own the stage.
Tushar, own the stage.
Tushar, own the stage.
Tushar, own the stage.
Social media, good or bad? Social media is an important platform where people share and gather information. Benefits of social media: it can create awareness to our people, it can create contacts with our loved ones. Also, the demerits include it can create increase in phone time, it can create mental health problems like depression, anxiety, etc. Therefore, I conclude my speech that it is dependent upon the individual who use the social media. Thank you.
Very nice. Give a round of applause for Tushar. Did really well, Tushar. Smile.
Yes.
Preparation is the key. Practice more and more and more and you'll get it. Now I can see that on stage he's thinking, I have to maintain eye contact also, I have to maintain expressions also, I have to do this also. I feel like it's a juggling in your mind to do everything. It's okay. Go one at a time. No issues. You're doing great.
Why is communication important? Communication is between sender and receiver. Communication has an ultimate communication formula: 55% body language, 38% tonality, 7% words.
This last line goes slow. Go very, very slow. 55% body language, 38% tonality, and 7% words.
55% body language, 38% tonality, 7% words.
Once upon a time, there lived two persons, person A and person B. Both went to a 5-hour pottery workshop. A person A decided to make a beautiful perfect pot, and person B decided to make 5 pots even if they are weird looking or strange. At the end of 5 hours, person A came with a beautiful pot while person B came with 5 ugly pots. Who do you think will be a better potter at the end of 6 months? Yes, the correct answer is person B, because practice makes progress, practice makes permanent, practice makes perfection. So the moral of the story is, action is the winner and perfection is the killer. Thank you.
Very nice. Give it a applause. Aiena did a great job, Aiena. Don't look in the camera while talking. For you all. Don't look in the camera. Don't just think that he is not there. Okay? Just look at the audience only while talking. Smile, Aiena. You need to smile more.
This is a story in which two people, person A and person B, wanted to become pottery makers. They had joined the workshop of 5 long hours a day. Person A wanted to make only 1 pot which was beautiful and elegant, whereas person B on the other hand wanted to make 5 even or uneven looking pots. So after 6 long months of training, who do you think will be a better pottery maker? Person B. Yeah, it would be person B because he aimed for action, not perfection. So practice makes progress, practice makes permanent, and practice makes perfection. Thank you.
Very nice. So big applause for Arjun. Arjun, work more on smiling. Smiling, if you do, it will become very nice. So smile.
Why communication is important? Communication is important because to communicate with all peoples and all regions. So why the communication is important? 55% body language, 38% tonality, and 7% words. Thank you.
Again, don't do 7% words. Just do like this. 55% is body language. 38% tonality. Go like that.
55% body language, 38% tonality, and 7% words.
Very nice. Give it on top.
Benefits of public speaking. We can share ideas with public speaking, we can share thoughts with public speaking, and we can share information with public speaking. Public speaking is a way of communicating with each other and motivating each other. Thank you.
Very nice. Give it on top for Mithra. Mithra, you're doing great. Great improvement I can see. Work more on your smile and tonality differences. Public speaking is a way through which we communicate with others. We educate, we interact, bring that tonality. But very nice. Good job, Mithra. Thank you so much.
This is an interesting story of two persons, person A and person B. Both of them wanted to learn pottery making. So they went to a 5-hour long workshop to learn pottery making. Person A thought of making one beautiful looking pot which was so perfect, whereas person B thought of making 5 decent looking pots. At the end of the 5-hour long workshop, person A came up with one beautiful pot, whereas person B came up with one strange looking pots. So, after 6 months, who do you think will be the better pottery maker? Yes, that's right. Person B will be the better pottery maker because repetition is the mother of all learning. Practice makes progress, practice makes permanent, and practice makes perfect. So, perfection is the killer, whereas action is the winner. Thank you.
Very nice. You're very nice. Rohan did really well. Rohan, smiling is not there. If you smile, you will also become perfect storyteller. Just bring in the smile. You have the necessary tonality. You have the necessary pauses. Go a little slow. And now with the audience also, you engage with the that part. But this front row also, you are yet to look at them and engage with them with eye contact. So focus here as well and smile. You've got such a great smile. Smiling is very, very important. You need to look approachable to your audience. So smile. Okay?
This is a story about two people, person A and person B. Person A and person B, they both decided to go in a pottery making workshop. Person A decided to make a beautiful looking pot in fire, but person B decided to make 5 decent looking pot in fire. Who do you think will be more successful after 6 months of training? Person Yes, person B. Because person B is aiming for action, whereas person A is aiming for perfection. Perfection is a killer, action is a winner.
And more of eye contact with everybody. You have great eye contact with that portion, however, this gets missed. So work on this. Very nice. Good job, Safwan.
Social media is good or bad. Let us go into the definition of social media. It is a connecting with the people to accomplish a certain purpose through a web. There are several advantages. One is connecting with people using Instagram and Facebook and YouTube, and there are several advantages where using some other apps. So let us go to the disadvantages. It is basically disadvantage based on the usage. So use it wisely. I personally recommend to bring social media usage into the education curriculum. Thank you.
Much like before.
Okay.
So good hold on the mic. You yourself, when you'll see your video, you'll see that there is a drastic improvement.
What about the shoulders?
Shoulders didn't happen now.
Okay, yeah.
Which is why it was great.
Okay.
And work more on your connectivity
Hands.
with people.
Okay.
Look in their eyes and talk. Feel your content. This is your content.
Yeah.
You wrote it.
Yeah.
It's yours 100%.
Yes.
So talk as if it's yours.
Yeah.
It should feel like, talk it with conviction. The more you practice, you will get more conviction. So practice more and more.
Social media, good or bad? Social media can sometimes be good and sometimes be bad, and it all depends on how we use it. Let us look at the advantages and the disadvantages of social media. The advantages of social media are, it is a huge platform for many creators to showcase their talent using simple apps such as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and many more. But the disadvantages of social media are, it leads to addiction, cyberbullying and many more. Social media should be used judiciously and wisely, or it is of no use. Thank you.
Very nice. Give a big round of applause. See, expressions and actions also should be with context. Like when you say the last line, it should be used wisely and judiciously, or else it will be of no use. वहाँ पर अगर आप ऐसे बोलोगे कि it will be of no use, then it doesn't match. So you will have to work more on your tonality and expression. You have great expression. You're smiling through and through, in fact. So that is really well. That's really good. But you need more. I know you can do more than this. So I want you to extend and go beyond. Okay, very nice. Give a big round of applause.
We have two people, person A and person B. Both of them had enrolled for a 5-hour pottery class, but they had different approaches. Person A wanted to make just one perfect looking pot, while person B wanted to make 5 pots. Even if they were imperfect, it didn't matter to him. So at the end of the 5-hour class, person A came up with one pot, one perfect looking pot, he was satisfied. While person B came up with 5 pots. They were imperfect, but it was okay with him. So now I have a question for you. Who do you think, at the end of the 6-month course, who do you think would be the best potter? Yes, it's person B. Why? Because action is the winner and perfection is the killer, right? So we can learn that practice makes progress, practice makes permanent, and practice makes perfection. Thank you.
Very nice. Give a big round of applause for Prithika. Prithika, still really fast. Go more slow. After every sentence, give pauses.
Okay.
Even now you are running a little bit, go slower and smile. When you say beautiful, say one beautiful looking pot, 5 weirdly shaped pot. When you add the tonality, I should be able to imagine whatever you're saying. I should be able to imagine person A with one beautiful pot. I should be able to imagine person B with 5 weird looking pots. A oral movie should run in my mind. That's how you have to speak. Okay. So you have to work more on your tonality and smile.
Okay.
Yeah.
India is the most populated country in the world. India has many cultures and many languages. India was the first who landed on the south pole of the moon. India is in 4th rank in GDP and in military.
Much better. He did really well. You get applause for you. Still you, मुझे मालूम है आप इससे भी अच्छा कर सकते हो. Open up more. जैसे आप है ना normal हमारे conversation में how you open up, you have so much of tonality, a lot of expression. Do the same on stage. I know you can do it. So practice more and more. Much better. He did really well. Give a big round of applause.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment.